Hi everyone! We meet again. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are here to continue with our lesson. Let's watch the video.
Children, now we are going to learn about division. We have 3 animals in each box. We have turtle, octopus, and a bear. And we are going to give these balls to each of the animals. Let's count how many balls do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Altogether, there are 9 balls in this box. Let's divide these balls to each of the animals. 1 for Mr. Turtle, 1 green ball for Mr. Octopus, and 1 red ball for Mr. Bear. We still have a lot more balls to give out, so let's keep giving. Another ball for Mr. Turtle, another green ball for Mr. Octopus, and a red ball for Mr. Bear. We still have 3 more balls left in the box. Shall we give it out to the toys?
Yes.
Alright. Last ball. Yellow ball for Mr. Turtle, green ball for Mr. Octopus, and the last red ball for Mr. Bear. No more balls in the box. Now, how many balls does each of the animal get? Let's count. Mr. Turtle gets 1, 2, 3 yellow balls. 3 yellow balls. Mr. Octopus gets 1, 2, 3 green balls. And Mr. Bear 1, 2, 3 red balls. So when we divide 9 divided to 3 animals, each animal will get 3 balls.
This is Siti. Siti has 4 slices of cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. She wants to give those cakes to her sisters equally. Anna, Tina. Let's give 1 slice of cake to Anna. Now the second slice of cake to Tina. The third slice of cakes Siti is going to give to Anna again. And the last or 4th slice of cake Siti gives to Tina. So each of her sisters will get 2 slices of cakes. Please take out this book.
Hello children, today we are going to learn more about division. Turn to page 14 and let's read the instruction together. Determine whether this is equal or not equal. Tick the correct answer. Let's read the scenario. There are 6 balls and 2 baskets. Can you put the balls equally into each basket? Let's count how many balls we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. How many baskets? 2. This is basket A and this is basket B. Now, we are going to use colored pencils to differentiate the balls. Ball number 1 is orange, and we are going to put this orange ball into basket A. Ball number 2 is a red ball, and we are going to put this red ball into basket B. Next, ball number 3 is orange. And we are going to put ball number 3 into basket A again. Ball number 4 is red. So we are going to put the red ball into basket B. Ball number 5 is an orange ball, and we are going to put this orange ball in basket A. Ball number 6 is a red ball, and we are going to put this ball into basket B. Right, now we have to count. Do we have equal number of balls in both baskets? Let's count. How many balls in basket A? 1, 2, 3. How many balls?
3.
3 balls over here. Now let's count how many balls in basket B. 1, 2, 3. How many balls?
3.
3. So are the number of balls in each basket the same?
Yes.
Same means equal. So is it equal? E-Q-U-A-L. Equal or not equal?
Equal.
Equal. Let's tick. This is the correct answer. Now let's try the second question. There are 7 flowers and 2 vases. Can you put the flowers equally into each vase? First, let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many vases?
2.
2. This is A and this is B. Now we are going to color the flowers. The first flower is a pink flower, and we are going to put this pink flower in the first vase. Next, the second flower is a red flower, and we are going to put it in the B vase. Third, it's a pink flower. We are going to put it in A. Fourth flower, a red one, we're going to put it in B. Fifth, a pink flower, we'll put it in A. Sixth, red flower, we are going to put it over here. Last, we still have another flower left, a pink one, and we are going to put it here. Okay, now we are going to count how many flowers are there in each vase. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers?
4.
What about B? 1, 2, 3. How many flowers?
3.
Are there of the equal number of flowers or not equal?
Not equal.
Yeah, so the answer is not equal because the flowers here is more by 1 extra flower. Next, there are 5 fish and 2 fish bowls. Can you put the fish equally into each bowl? Now let's count how many fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is bowl A and this is bowl B. We are going to put fish A into the first bowl. So there's 1 fish over here. The second one, we are going to color it blue, and the blue fish goes over here. The third fish is a green fish, so the green fish goes over here. The fourth fish is a blue fish, therefore it goes in the B bowl. The last one is a green fish. We will put it into the A bowl. So now let's count how many fish are there in each bowl. 1, 2, 3. How many fish here?
3.
What about the fish in the other bowl? How many there?
1.
2. There are only 2 fish here. So, are the total number of fish in both bowls equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Not equal, yes, because there is one extra fish here in bowl A as compared to bowl B. Now let's read the scenario here. There are 9 sweets and 3 containers. Can you put the sweets equally into each container? Let's count how many sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is container A, this is container B, and this is container C. We are going to put the first sweet into container A. The second sweet into container B. We are going to put into container C. Again, the fourth sweet we are going to put into the first container. The fifth sweet we are going to put into the container B, and the sixth sweet we are going to put into container C. Sweets number 7 we are going to put it into container A. Sweet number 8 we are going to put it into container B. And sweet number 9 into container C. Now let's count how many sweets are there in each container. 1, 2, 3. 3 in container A. 1, 2, 3. 3 in container B. 1, 2, 3. 3 in container C. So, do we have equal number of sweets in each container?
Yes.
Yes, each container will have 3 sweets in it. So, the sweets are equally distributed to all the 3 containers. Equal. Turn to page 15. Determine how many apples each person should get. This is student A and this is student B. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Let's distribute the apples equally to both students. The first apple is red. A likes to eat red apple. So let's give a red apple to A. The second apple is green. B likes to eat green apples. So let's give green apples to B. Third apple is red. Let's give the red
apple to A. And the last apple is green. Let's give the green apple to B. So, let's count how many apples each child gets. How many apples does A get? 1, 2. A gets 2 apples. What about B? How many apples did he get? 1, 2. B gets 2 apples. So, how many apples each person get?
2.
2. A gets 2 apples and B also has 2 apples. Let's look at the second exercise. This is A. This is student B. This is student C. Now let's label the apple. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Now, A, he likes the red apple. So let's give him the red apple again. Student B, he likes the yellow apple. This is a yellow apple. So let's give him a yellow apple. Student C, he likes the green apple. Now let's give him the green apple. Again, there is a red apple here. So we give the red apple to student A. Yellow apple, we give this to student B. And the green apple, we give it to student C. Now, let's count how many apples does each student get. 1, 2. A gets 2 apples. B, 1, 2. B also gets 2 apples. And student C, he has 1, 2, 2 apples. How many apples does each student get?
2.
2. Everybody gets 2 apples. Now let's try the third exercise. Let's label student A and student B again. Now let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now the first apple is red apples. Who like red apple, A or B?
A.
A. So we give the red apple to A. The second apple is green. So who likes the green apple, A or B?
B.
B. Let's give the green apple to B. The third apple is red. To whom shall we give it to? A or B?
A.
Let's give it to A. Now the fourth apple is green. Let's give it to student B. The fifth apple is red. Let's give it to student A again. The sixth apple is green. Let's give it to student A. The seventh apple is red. Let's give it to student A. The eighth apple is green. Let's give it to student B. The ninth apple, it is red. Now give it to student A. And the 10th apple is green. Let's give it to student B. Next, we are going to count how many apples does each student get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A has 5 apples. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B also gets 5 apples. So how many apples does each student get equally?
5.
5. Good job. Next, the last question. Let's label the students first. This is A and this is student B. Let's count how many apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The first apple is red, and as usual, we give the red apple to student A. The second apple is green. Student B likes green apple, so we give to him the green apple. The third apple is red, so we'll give it to student A. The fourth apple is green, give it to student B. The fifth apple is red, let's give it to student A. The sixth apple is green, and let's give it to student B. The seventh apple is red, so let's give it to student A since he likes the red apple more. And the last apple is green, we'll give it to student B because he likes to eat the green apple. Now let's count how many apples does each student get. 1, 2, 3, 4. A gets 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. B gets 4 apples. So how many apples does each student get? 4. 4. There we have distributed the apples equally to the students. There are 6 bananas to be given to the kids equally. Draw equal number of bananas that everyone gets. Now, how many bananas do we have? 6. We have 6 bananas, and we have to give to 3 children. Let's label A, B, and C. Let's draw 6 bananas. 1 banana, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bananas. Okay? So 6 bananas, we are going to divide equally to each student. This is banana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's give the first banana to student A. Now the second banana, let's give to student B. The third banana, we are going to give it to student C. Right. Now the fourth banana, we are going to give to
A.
Yeah, give to A again. Okay. Now the fifth banana, who should we give it to?
B.
B. Give it to student B. Right. And the last banana, the sixth banana, we give to student C. Right. So, there you go. Each student will get how many bananas?
2 bananas.
1, 2. Student B will also get 1, 2 bananas. And student C will also get 1, 2 bananas. There are 4 apples to be given to the kids equally. Draw equal number of apples that everyone gets. So how many apples altogether?
4.
Let's draw 4 apples first. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Now let's label the students. This is student A and this is student B. Now let's give the first apple to student A. Student A gets the first apple. Now the second apple will give it to student B. The third apple will give it to student A again. And the fourth apple will give it to student B. Now let's count how many apples each student gets. 1, 2. A gets
2 apples.
What about student B? 1, 2. Student B also gets 2 apples. So we have given 4 apples equally to 2 students. Each will get 2 apples. There are 8 strawberries to be given to the kids equally. Draw equal number of strawberries that everyone gets. So first,
let's draw the strawberries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 strawberries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strawberries. Now, how many students are there?
4.
4. Let's label the students. Student A, this is student B, this is student C, and this is student D. Now, let's give each of these students equal number of strawberries. Let's give the first strawberry to the first student. The second strawberry, let's give to student B. The third strawberry will give to student C. Now the fourth strawberry, who do we give it to?
D.
Yes, give to student D. The fifth strawberry, who do we give it to now?
A.
Give it to A again. There you go. The sixth strawberry will give it to student B. The seventh strawberry will give it to student C. And the eighth strawberry will give it to student D. Now let's count how many strawberries that we have given to each student. Student A gets 1, 2 strawberries. Student B gets 1, 2 strawberries. Student C gets 1, 2 strawberries. And student D gets 1, 2 strawberries. So we have distributed equally 2 strawberries to each student.
Okay, children, that's all for today. Till we meet again, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.